Here we got us a little elderberry bush. One thing that happened last night was 2 inches of rain. So we got some wind and rain, and you can see that a lot of the berries fell off. So you do want to make sure that you get things before they can. But this one was kind of sheltered in the backyard here. And so we got some pretty good umbels. But you can see a few fall off right as I pick it. A couple are going to fall off. That's okay. You know, there's plenty of elderberries usually on every bush. So you're just going to be picking up umbels and putting them in a bucket to harvest them for first. So next we got to separate those berries from the stems. And so you get a second bucket and you start getting the berries off. It's certainly a lot easier when you got two hands. So that's what I'm going to do next. Some people freeze these and then they do it while it's frozen. That's fine. And then you want to go in here, and if there's any stems that are big enough to pick out, just pick them out and toss them. After you get your berries, make sure you write down what they are, put them in a bag, and you can freeze them. Then you can get any other bush that harvests later and then add them together. Okay, so you put all your berries in a pot. And you put the pot on the stove, and you're going to want to stir it while it heats up. You could also use a steam juicer. That is pretty awesome, and all you got to do is dump them all in there. I usually put a screen down here, and then an hour later it's all done. The juice seeps out, so then you don't have to stir it so much. So right here we got a cherry tree, and right here you can see there's like a 1-year-old stem, also the one next to it. So both of these are 1-year stems, and we're going to take the 1 year's growth off them. And time to make some elderberry syrup. First, we need some elderberry juice. I got about a quart. Then I'm going to put ginger, cherry bark, cinnamon, some Norway spruce, some lemon peel, and some honey in there. And mix it all up and let it simmer. Simmered this for about 15 minutes, then I put a lid on it and just let it sit there for a good half an hour. That's plenty long enough for me. I might let it sit a little longer. I'm going to strain it in here and jar it up.